Hi friends, in this video, we shall learn the glands in the endocrine system and the hormones they secrete. Pituitary gland is a pea-shaped gland attached to the hypothalamus of the brain. Many hormones called trophic hormones of pituitary gland influence the secretions of other endocrine glands, which is the reason why it is also called master gland. However, some hormones of this gland act directly on various tissues of the body. One of its important hormones is the somatotrophin. It promotes the growth of the body. It also secretes a hormone called thyroid-stimulating hormone (TSH). It stimulates thyroid gland to secrete its hormones. The remaining hormones influence reproductive organs and also control adrenal glands. The thyroid gland is the largest endocrine gland in human body. It is present in neck region, below larynx, and produces a hormone called thyroxine. Thyroxine increases the breakdown or oxidation of food and release of energy in body. It is also responsible for the growth of the body. Iodine is required for the production of this hormone. If a person lacks iodine in his or her diet, thyroid gland cannot make its hormone. The thyroid gland produces another hormone called calcitonin. It decreases the level of calcium ions in blood and promotes the absorption of calcium from blood into bones. There are 4 glands situated on the posterior side of thyroid gland. These glands are called parathyroid glands. They produce a hormone known as parathormone. It increases the level of calcium ions in blood. 2 adrenal glands are situated above kidneys. It secretes a hormone called epinephrine or adrenaline in response to stress. It prepares our body to overcome emergency situations. Therefore, adrenaline is also termed as emergency hormone. The adrenal glands also secrete many more hormones called corticosteroids, which maintain the balance of salts and water in blood. Pancreas has 2 functions. The major part of pancreas is a ducted, exocrine gland. This portion, as we already learned, secretes digestive enzymes through a duct into the small intestine. Some portions of pancreas serve as ductless endocrine gland. This portion contains groups of endocrine cells referred to as islets of Langerhans. These islets secrete 2 hormones, that is insulin and glucagon. Glucagon influences the liver to release glucose in blood, and so the blood glucose concentration rises. Insulin influences the liver to take excess glucose from blood, and so the blood glucose concentration falls. Testes, singular, testis, and ovaries, singular, ovary, are the male and female reproductive organs or gonads. In addition to producing gametes, gonads also secrete hormones, called sex hormones. Testes secrete hormones like testosterone, which is responsible for the development of male secondary sex characters such as growth of hair on face and coarseness of voice, etc. Ovaries secrete estrogen and progesterone, which are responsible for the development of female secondary characters such as the development of breast, etc. Hypothalamus is a part of the brain. It produces 2 hormones, namely oxytocin and vasopressin, which is an antidiuretic hormone. Vasopressin increases the rate of reabsorption of water from nephrons. When we have low amount of water in body fluids, pituitary gland secretes vasopressin, and so more reabsorption of water occurs from nephrons into blood. In this way, body retains water and less amount of urine is produced. On the other hand, when body fluids have more than normal water, there is a decline in the secretion of this hormone. The hormone, oxytocin, stimulates the contraction of uterus walls in mothers for childbirth. Moreover, this hormone is necessary for the ejection of milk from the breast. Pineal gland is small endocrine gland in the brain of most vertebrates. It synthesizes two hormones. Melatonin is released into the blood and possibly also into the brain fluid, known as cerebrospinal fluid. Its function is to modulate sleep patterns in both circadian and seasonal cycles. Its precursor, serotonin, which is derived chemically from the alkaloid substance tryptamine, are synthesized in the pineal gland. Along with other brain sites, the pineal gland may also produce neurosteroids, which are a ring-reduced metabolites of the steroid hormones. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to comment, share, like and subscribe. Fun learning.